This is a teardown of a Sonicwall TZ300, and just gonna poke fun at that security seal here real quick. Oh, that was a terrible job. There we go. This will be a little exciting, I think, to see inside of. Let's see what we got. So not quite as populated as the other one I did, although it is slightly different. Hopefully I'll put these out in the correct order so it's not confusing what I'm talking about. So this one was a TZ350W versus this one, which was, I already forgot, TZ300. Oh man. The mini PCI slot's not populated since this isn't a wireless model. And same deal as the open network ports that could have been added. Looks like that wasn't going to be a card slot option, but I'm not sure what that header's for. Otherwise looking pretty similar. I really wonder how much money they saved not populating the wireless card slot on this, because it doesn't seem like, ouch, doesn't seem like much else has changed. Oops. Otherwise, bottom of the PCB looks basically the same. I don't see any difference. I'm going to throw that off to the side though before they get confused. And I need to cut open the little heatsink pins. I didn't do a very good job of that. And I assume I'm going to see basically the same chip, because really the only difference between the two is the wireless card. So, yep. Another Cavium Octeon 3, Broadcom for the networking, Intel boot flash, and what do we got? Unknown brand memory. I think that might actually be the only difference. Yeah, looks like between these two different models, different boot flash chip and different brand memory. Be interesting if it's slower or faster. If you feel crazy, you're more than welcome to look it up for me, because I'm lazy. I should probably be a little less lazy. I'm sure it'd make it more interesting for these things, but I don't do a lot of research on them usually. There's been a few that I have, but yeah. So yeah, it's interesting. Same deal. I gotta remove this pesky CMOS battery before I recycle it, because they get mad. But yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.